Hi, my name is Elena and I'm the Channel Marketing Manager at DyeMansion. My key responsibility is sales partners enablement and relationship management. Formnext is always our favorite event, especially this year, because we can meet our customers and sales partners in person. Over the last 2 years, our partner platform has rapidly grown, and today we are very proud to have more than 28 sales partners. It's very important for us to maintain a great relationship with our sales partners and also to ensure that they are well informed about our future plans and strategy. And today we organize a special event for our sales partners, the Sales Partner Evening. At this event we will share our latest updates around our technological developments, our plans for the future, and of course our strategy. But of course we want to get feedback from our sales partners. So let's reunite at the Formnext and retransform the manufacturing together.